Greetings, YouTube model train people. I've got another passenger car video for you. This time I have an Athearn Observation Car, and this is my new interior. I'll show it to you. Fully populated. Here it is by itself. This is available at Thingiverse. You can download it, print it for yourself. It's in the multicolor like this. There's also a single color version. And I also have my circuit board, which I've shown in previous videos. Looks basically like that. This is available from OSH Park. You get it basically this, and you have to populate it out yourself. And yeah, so this one I also, I don't know if I can get the camera to zoom in, added a lens, and there's a red LED kind of hidden. Can you see it? There's a red LED kind of up in there too. I think in the prototype, there are actually lights on the ends of these guys here. And I was thinking about trying to implement that. However, I'm not sure I can get a hole drilled at just the right angle. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work out. I haven't tried it. But yeah, so also on the shell, so this right here, I did some research online on these observation cars, and it looks like this part here was bathrooms and showers, and then this is kind of the general chair layout that they had at the time. I don't understand this. If it was me, I would have had the chairs pointed out so you could look out the window, but I don't know, nobody asked me. And so in the windows, what I did is I put tape, if you can see this, I put tape inside these windows here so you can't really see in, to make it look, for privacy for the bathrooms. I also did some shades here in a few of the windows just to give it make it look a little different. So yeah, here's what it looks like on the outside, and we'll go look at it on the track right now. All right, so I've had some questions about where I get the wire, the thin wire, to go from the axles to the center screw. And I've also had some questions about these axles, and I think these are Intermountain. I bought these on there. They're just marked as 36-inch wheels bulk. I think I got these actually at a train show, but honestly, I'm sorry, I don't remember. The key that you want to find is, I don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but you want to make sure that one side is uninsulated and one side is insulated. Obviously, at least one side has to be insulated or it'd be a short circuit, but some of the wheels I've seen both sides are insulated. That will not work with this setup. You have to have the axle part electrically connected to one of the wheels in order for this method to work. So the way I get this thin wire is I take just regular stranded wire, it's just standard hookup wire, and I cut off, can you see that? I cut off about, 3 inches of the insulation, like that. And then each of these little fine strands, can you see that? And then I use each of these fine strands here to connect up the axles. Okay, here it is on the track.